Depositing with Vesper is easy, as all it takes is a few clicks and there's no sign up or registration process required. Go to the Vesper app and select the Grow Pool you would like to deposit into. The risk level of the pool is shown here. There are 7 Grow Pools currently available, all of which are considered tokens from well-established blue-chip protocols. Spot is the annualized earn rate over the past 24 hours. Average reflects the annualized earn rate over the past 30 days and is more representative of performance than Spot, since Spot is subject to spikes and dips in performance over a short period of time. The percent at the end here represents additional earnings that are provided to depositors in the form of Vesper tokens or VSP. Connect your wallet, then click on the Grow Pool that you would like to deposit into. The USDC balance in your wallet is here, and your deposited USDC balance is here. Any VSP you've earned as a result of depositing into the USDC pool is here. These tokens can be claimed at any time by clicking on the Claim button and approving the transaction. Enter the amount you would like to deposit and click Deposit. You'll have to approve 2 transactions for every deposit into a Grow Pool. The first is an approval transaction to allow Vesper to spend your USDC, and the second is a transaction to approve the deposit of USDC to the Grow Pool. To withdraw, enter an amount. Click Withdraw and approve the transaction. Only one transaction is required for withdrawals. A withdrawal fee of 0.6% applies to all withdrawals from Grow Pools. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video.